If you want to do sniping from this to this, so watch the video until the end, because this 7 settings make you pro in sniping. Starting with setting number 1, one-tap weapon switch. This setting increase the speed of weapon switch. As you can see the difference. To on this setting, simply go to basic section, then scroll down. Click here, setting number 2, turn off realistic scope, because it decrease the speed of opening the scope. To off this setting simply, go to audio and graphics section, then scroll down, click here, setting number 3, that is optical performance of scope. This setting increase zooming of scope. To on this setting, simply go to the audio and graphics section, then at the end, click here, setting number 4, that is always sprint. This setting increase the speed of character. By this setting, you can easily do fast movement. To on this setting, go to the basic section, then scroll down, click here, then increase the sensitivity to max. Setting number 5, that is FOV, that is field of view. This setting increase the field view. This setting give an advantage to see the enemy. As you can see the difference. To increase FOV, simply go to basic, then scroll down. Increase the FOV to max. Setting number 6, that is bolt action weapon. Before update you can shoot only one bullet by a single tap, but after on this setting, you can shoot bullets continuously, as you can see the difference. Setting number 7, that is sync ADS FOV to scope zoom. You have to off this setting. Simply go to basic section. Then scroll down. Click on off. If you facing lag issues, so watch this video, link in the description.